When it comes to cookware, the market is saturated with options promising durability, non-stick performance, and ease of use. Yet, this Circulon A1 Series with ScratchDefense Technology Nonstick Induction Frying Pan Skillet is truly in a league of its own. Designed for the modern kitchen, this 12-inch skillet delivers a perfect trifecta: unmatched nonstick durability, scratch resistance, and cutting-edge design. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into its standout features, practical benefits, and why it's quickly becoming a must-have for home cooks and professionals alike. Why Circulon A1 Series stands out. The Circulon A1 Series skillet redefines the nonstick frying pan experience. With its groundbreaking scratch defense technology, you can finally say goodbye to scratches, peeling, and stains. This pan is built to handle over 350,000 scrapes without scratching, making it a long-term investment in your cooking arsenal. Key features that redefine cookware. 1. Extreme scratch-resistant non-stick coating. Unlike traditional non-stick pans, which degrade over time, this skillet boasts a triple-layer non-stick coating crafted from aerospace-grade materials. Laboratory tests simulate 200+ years of daily use, ensuring that your pan remains pristine even under heavy-duty cooking. 2. Fast, even heat distribution. Equipped with an aluminum core and a thick, edge-to-edge stainless steel base, the Circulon A1 ensures rapid and uniform heat delivery. Whether you're searing meats or frying delicate eggs, you'll achieve consistent results every time. 3. Induction and oven-safe design. Versatility is a hallmark of the A1 series. It works seamlessly on all stovetops, including induction, and is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the flexibility to switch between stovetop and oven cooking effortlessly. Number 4. Dishwasher-safe convenience. Hate scrubbing pans after a long day? The Circulon A1 series is truly dishwasher-safe, retaining its performance and shine even after repeated cycles. 5. Comfortable and durable handles. The ergonomic cast stainless steel handles with silicone accents provide a secure and comfortable grip, enhancing your cooking experience. Imagine this. Picture flipping pancakes on a Saturday morning without worrying about scratches or sticking. Now imagine tossing your skillet into the dishwasher after a hearty dinner with no concerns about residue or damage. This is the effortless cooking experience the Circulon A1 series offers. Who is this frying pan for? Busy families. With its dishwasher-safe and scratch-resistant design, cleanup is a breeze, even after hectic meals. Home chefs. From frying to baking, this skillet can handle diverse cooking methods. Professionals. Its durability and performance are ideal for chefs who demand precision and longevity. Induction stove owners. Few pans perform as well on induction cooktops as the Circulon A1 series. A pan built for generations. Invest in cookware that won't just last years but decades. The Circulon A1 series is built to outlive trends and fads, offering timeless performance. How does Circulon A1 compare to competitors? While many frying pans claim to be non-stick and durable, most falter under daily use. The Circulon A1 series not only outperforms its competitors but sets a new standard: 130 times longer non-stick life than leading competitors. Aerospace-grade materials ensure durability unmatched by any ordinary skillet. Induction-compatible base that rivals even high-end cookware brands. Benefits you can't ignore. 1. Long-lasting performance. The ScratchDefense technology ensures that this skillet doesn't just look good out of the box, but stays that way after years of use. 2. Eco-friendly investment. By lasting longer than standard non-stick pans, the Circulon A1 reduces waste and is an environmentally friendly choice. 3. Healthier cooking. Thanks to its ultra-slick surface, you can cook with less oil or butter, promoting healthier meals. 4. Sleek, modern aesthetic. Available in a graphite finish, the Circulon A1 looks as good as it performs, adding elegance to your kitchen. Did you know? Traditional non-stick coatings often flake into your food over time, but the Circulon A1's aerospace-grade materials eliminate flaking entirely. Final verdict? Is it worth the investment? Absolutely. The Circulon A1 series with ScratchDefense technology is more than just a frying pan. It's a culinary powerhouse. Its superior nonstick coating, unparalleled scratch resistance, and versatile design make it a must-have for anyone serious about cooking. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.